Hello, everyone. So we're going over the join operation today and the rest of the operations that we did not cover in our last lecture. So join operation, we saw how join Cartesian product is done with instructor and teachers, where we get a lot of data. Just a quick review, and it doesn't make sense. For example, Srinivasan doesn't teach Fin 201 because teacher's ID and instructor ID doesn't match. So Cartesian product gives us all the combinations. From there, we did a join operation where we said, hey, teacher, select all those, but instructor ID and teacher's ID is equals to same. And then the Cartesian product that gives a table that makes more sense, where instructor ID and course ID is teacher's ID is same. So we get the data that is more, it makes more sense. So the join operation is denoted as R theta be the predicate of the attribute schema R and S. The join operation R theta is defined as follows. So these are two equivalent notations. So selection of instructor ID and teacher's ID with Cartesian product of instructor and teachers is equivalent to saying, hey, do instructor and join with the teachers where instructor ID is teacher's ID. These two are equivalent notations. Now let's look over the union operation. Union operation is basically we write RUS where we have the same union operations can be done on compatible tables. So for example, if we want to do union operation on instructor and teachers table, that cannot be done because the tables has to be exactly same but with different data or different values. So the relation should be same, but the instance should be different, or instance can be same as well, but instance, the changes should be in the instance but not in the relation. So that's basically compatible tables. The attribute domain must be compatible. Example is second column of R deals with the same type of values as does the second column of S. So these are same relation. Example, to find all the courses taught in the fall 2017 semester or in the spring 2018 semester or in both. So that's basically union operation where we say, hey, select from the section table where semester is fall and year is 2017 and give me the course IDs only. And we also do a select where spring is the semester and year is 2018. We do a selection from the section. We do a select operation and then give me the course IDs. And now we select with the union operation. We say, give me all the course IDs that are in this table and in this table and that are common as well. So that's the union operation. So this is the result where we get a lot of course IDs. We only need the protection of course ID. That's why we only got the course ID. Here are the courses that were offered both in fall of 2017 and spring of 2018. Either or, basically, it was either offered in this instance or this instance or in the both. Similarly, the set intersection gives us the opposite result, give us only those who were taught in both fall and spring 2017 and 2018 respectively. So that's CS 101. This was taught in this was taught in fall of 2017 and spring of 2018. So this is the set intersection operation. This is similar to what we learned in the math courses. So union operation, intersection, and there's this operation called set difference operation. This is also similar to union and intersection, but here we do give me the instance of this table where the courses were taught in fall 2017, but were not in spring 2018. So this is the course that were taught only in fall 2017, and we subtract all the other values of spring 2018 section. So this is only taught in fall 2017. So if we write this gives us one table and subtract this another table, it's a really long line, right? We can write this in smaller lines. That is assignment operation. We say, hey, select department name is physics from the instructor table, assign this to a variable called physics. Similar to department is music, assign them to variable called music, and then we do physics union music. So we are just assigning variables, and assignment operations is basically denoted as this arrow mark here. We can also do rename operations. The result of relational algebra expression do not have the name that we can use to refer to them. The rename operator rho is provided for the purpose. The expression is rho xe, where e is the relation, X is the new name that we define. It returns the result of expression E under the name X. Another form to rename operation is row X. Then we select attributes and then the relation. We select that as a um, rename operation. Now we look at equivalent queries. Multiple results, same results can be achieved in multiple ways. For example, query one, where we say, hey, give me the department name, give me the instructors whose department name is physics and they have salary more than 90,000. So this is one select operation where we have two conditions. One is it has to be department physics and salary has to be greater than 90,000. The same table can be achieved using, hey, first give me all the instructors that have salary greater than 90,000, and from that row give me only those instructors where department name is physics. These are two select operations, but the results are same. So this is equivalent queries. Similar to this, we have another equivalent query where we said, hey, give me find the information about courses taught by instructors in the physics department. So first of all, do select all the instructors and do a join operation with all the teachers columns based on instructor ID and teachers ID. And then from those, select only those where department name is physics. So this gives me a huge list of instructor and teachers. And then from there, we only select the subset of physics department. Or we can do is, hey, select the instructors who are from physics department. Now, from those instructors, do a join operation with the teachers. So we only get the physics department's teachers courses. So these are done differently, but the results are same. So these two are not identical. They are, however, equivalent. They give the same result of any database. So this is the end of chapter 2. I have posted the quiz in the Canvas. You can look over the quiz. You have until September, until the deadline is mentioned in the quiz as well. So submit the quiz before the deadline is over. Thank you. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email.